Hello, America. Still waiting on Tucker Carlson to say something about Mueller wrote a letter saying he disagrees with Attorney General Bill Barr, what he had to say about his report. He says he didn't define what his report was about. And Tucker Carlson, he's always so liberal. He always got so much to say. But look at what he's talking about right now.
When you talk about foreign policy, U.S. foreign policy,
he wants to talk about Venezuela. He wants to talk about Venezuela. Sorry, Saka, just a sorry individual, man. Sorry individual. Don't want to say nothing about how this letter came out saying that Bill Barr got it wrong. This report is not exonerating your president. Man, my president. I didn't vote for this guy. I never would vote for a scumbag like that. But whoever voted for him, Tucker Carlson on this show right now, he ain't got nothing to say. He ain't got nothing to say. This is amazing. This is amazing because he's always so stern-faced. He's always so. Look at him now. Look at him now. Venezuela. Let's talk about Venezuela. Oh, man. Yeah, this report's been going on all day long. That's the first thing you want to talk about today, right? First thing you want to talk about today. Yeah. Piece of garbage. Anyway, America, I thought you should know. Please keep up on what's going on with these fools that we got in office and these fools that we got on Fox News. That's what they are. Bunch of fools. And of course, when the truth comes out, they don't want to speak about that. Why would we do that? Thank you. Proving my point. Tucker. Why don't you tuck your shirt in, Carlson?